Well,
what's up, guys?
what's up, guys?
And welcome back. So it is our anniversary weekend, celebrating 2 years, and we will be going to Crossville. They got a new Buckee's out in Crossville,
and it should be Rock,
and possibly B-Rock, which is where we got engaged and had one of our first dates. And B-Rock. So stay tuned for some more. And welcome to the channel, guys. So we're at this overlook in Sparta, Bon Air Mountain. Taking a little quick pit stop. Let's go to the overlook.
So pretty, so pretty. Look at how crazy it is. So pretty. Wow. Look at Rich. This last time. Over here, he's picking up a rock, and I am just looking at this because this looks amazing. And if you look right here, oh, look at this. Look at a snake in the middle of the road. Ah! It's dead, but oh my gosh. Hell yes. Oh wow.
Your destination is on the left.
There's so many people trying to get into this gas station. It says no trucks, but yet a giant SUV can come and drive into here. Does that make sense?
Go down, baby. So I can see the stuff they used to. We're at Buckee's Ranch. We've never been. Yeah. Very nice.
Go straight. That's the park.
It's by the Crossville Outlet Mall.
Alright, so we have made it to the Buckee's. And I am famished.
Packed. And it's really packed.
It is very packed. I am extremely hungry. We have a budget of around $400.
But we're not spending that much.
We're not going to spend that much. That's the budget. We're going to see what we can find in here.
Yes.
At Buckee's. So, we heard a lot of good reviews about it.
Hungry.
This is the one in Crossville, Tennessee. And we're starving. So
Yes,
there'll be some food and some goodies. Alright, stay tuned for more.
Ooh, look how cute. All the stuff.
They got like actual jewelry in here.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Well, look, Rich. Look at that thing. The car. Look at the car. That's some bean bags. No, I think those are.
Some mini cookies.
Okay. looks pretty good though. Ooh.
Oh, that's your favorite.
Saltwater taffy. I don't know.
This is a beaver nugget.
Everybody said those are good, but I haven't ever had
You
them.
want to try a beaver nugget?
Yeah, this is fine. I know. Those are cups that I was looking at. Those. Oh, those are tumblers. These are all color cups.
There's a tall white version of the one you got.
That's cute, Bedazzle.
They got in the shop. They do. Bucky shop.
That is so cute. Look at that.
The bedazzled thing.
Yeah. How extra that is.
We got a blue cup and a red cup.
Okay. Where all do we actually get, right? We
Alright,
got a
so
lot of stuff.
we're back from Bucky's.
And we
Our budget
spent.
was $400.
And I'm spent.
But I didn't see $400 worth of stuff in there
No,
to buy.
definitely.
Unless we buy some grills or something. We didn't really need grills.
No, we don't.
So our total ended up being
80 something.
Can't see that focus on it.
There you go.
You see it?
Yep.
80, 85 ended up being our total.
Yes.
We got a lot of stuff.
Yes,
Got
we did.
food because I'm hungry as well.
Guess I'm very hungry.
So
We got
first item we end up getting
these.
Bucky minis.
Ooh, I'm excited about these.
Put them in the camera. Next
Okay.
we got Tay's stuff.
Yes. These are so good.
Saltwater taffy.
I love these. Okay. What'd you get, Rich?
Got a shot glass. Had to.
Bucky's on it.
Can't come from Whiskey Town and not get a shot glass. Next we got
The brownies.
fudge brownies.
Fudge brownies.
2 fudge brownies. It's
Okay.
like $2.99 each.
Yep.
How much was it? $2.49 each.
$2.49. Okay. And then what we get?
Got a cup.
These cups are so nice. Look at this cup. So pretty.
So that's Tay's cup.
This is mine. And this is
My cup.
Reg's. Very nice. You already know we had to have these. We got
Whatever
we got
those are.
beaver nuggets. Okay.
Next we got some teriyaki beef jerky.
You already know we had to have
Yeah.
some.
Yeah.
These did it.
Next we got our sandwiches, which
I'm excited because
are
I'm hungry.
sticking to.
I'm very hungry and this
Okay.
man is crazy. Okay, and what we get?
So I got a fried chicken sandwich.
The fried chicken sandwich. That's number one.
That's mine. I got a chopped brisket sandwich.
A brisket sandwich.
Yeah. Tay got pulled pork barbecue sandwich.
I'm very hungry, so
All
I
right.
hope this is really good. Okay,
Let's
so
try our
we're going to
sandwiches
try it
first. I'm gonna try a brisket sandwich first,
And I want to try just one.
and
Okay.
we'll see.
What's-
Are you gonna try yours? Try mine.
Okay. I'm gonna try mine. Oh, yeah, I have all of them.
You try all. You just ran into that curve.
And I'm excited. So let's see what's on that. Oh, it's messy. It's a little bit messy.
This is
Ooh, What?
Brisket sandwich.
I'm good. Not good.
That's the brisket sandwich.
Okay. Let's do yes or no rest.
Real tasty, real good.
Okay, do you want to split? Okay.
What's the pulled pork?
Yeah, pulled pork's really good though. It's really good. So let's try. Oh wow.
So it's a little tangier than mine.
Mm-hmm.
Got a twang to it. A twang.
Okay.
Now we're gonna
Try the other one.
the chicken sandwich.
Okay. Let's try.
Cause you know we had to try the chicken.
Yeah, we already know. We had
Gotta
to try.
get the chicken.
Okay.
Let's see what that hitting like.
Ooh, this is really good.
Oh, they put a whole chicken on
They
here.
put a whole
What
chicken.
this sauce on here?
I don't know.
Let me taste the mystery sauce first.
Sauce, let's see. Really good? Okay, let's see.
You gonna tell me on that one?
Okay.
I wanna get your opinion on that.
This is like this little chicken. This is the whole chicken. Okay, let's taste it. A little something.
It wasn't spicy. It's a little something. It's like it's a sauce.
I'm not really hitting with that one.
I can't.
I'm not really hitting with that one.
After going through the other two, the
No.
barbecue ones,
That other one was
the
fine.
chicken wasn't really. It wasn't
No.
really. It wasn't really hitting like that.
No,
It wasn't really hitting like that.
no.
It's not really giving. It's not giving.
It's not giving what it's a gift.
But maybe if we would have tried the chicken one first and not
Yeah, I
come
didn't
through,
really like that one.
come through the saucy joints.
Yeah, I
and
like
we
those
came
way
through
better.
the chicken first.
Okay.
Chicken may have been straight.
Do you want to try these? These chicken nuggets. I don't really like that one.
What's going on with that?
Chicken on my fire. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's try this one. These nuggets. Want to try these nuggets?
Alright, we're gonna try
Go ahead.
the corn nuggets. Well,
Get yours first.
beaver nuggets.
Now get mine.
Alright.
Okay. Cheers.
Boom.
Oh, okay.
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 Mm-hmm. Oh, those are really good. No, I don't like those.
I didn't know it was gonna be sweet. I thought it was like a pork rind or something.
No, I didn't know it was.
Oh, that's sugary.
That's sugary. Yes, it is.
That's dessert.
That is dessert. Cookies.
Now we're gonna try the cookies.
Cookies. We're trying the cookies. Cookies.
Alright, give me a swig or something.
Pour your drink. While I open the dinner. While I open the cookies. Okay.
Oh, that's wild. That drink good.
That was wild. Okay, get one.
The mini cookies.
Cookies. They're just buttery.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's not famous Amos.
They
but
definitely ain't, but it's alright.
They're good though.
It's alright. Okay.
Them cookies sweeter. Them cookies sweeter than these beaver nuggets.
Really?
To me,
Huh. Not really.
they're sweet.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Now I got the
You got them? You got the sweet?
Yeah, I do. I got the last of it.
They sweet.
My-
That's sweet.
Yeah, it was. My family
Alright,
didn't
so
kill itself.
I think the last two items we got is the teriyaki.
The
which
teriyaki?
vanished.
Right here? Here's the teriyaki one. We're going to get this one over.
Running through the taste gauntlet today.
Oh, yeah, we're going to overtaste it.
That's sweet. That
Yeah, it
sweet
was.
got me.
Okay.
That sweet was sweet.
90 calories. That'd be kind of good. Mmm.
Oh, it's smelling.
Okay.
It's smelling righteous.
Oh, that's good.
Not good as Pimlico,
It's not.
but
But-
it's oh, that's straight.
It's alright.
That's real.
Mm-hmm.
That's real.
Mm-hmm.
I should have got 2 of those.
That's really good.
Would recommend.
But
That's good. There's just enough teriyaki in there
Oh, you want the brownie?
For it to be teriyaki. Let's get a salt water first.
Okay. Okay, we'll pick this
Going
one
back
up.
to sweet.
I'm excited. I'm very excited. We have a lot of stuff up here.
Hey, that teriyaki is good.
Okay.
What flavor is this? Oh, cotton candy?
Cotton candy is my favorite kind. Okay, let's taste it. Taste it real.
Let me get this jerky out of here.
Ooh, look. Looks so good.
This taste stuff right here.
Looks really good. Real tasty, real good.
This looks like old chewed up gum.
Kinda does. Kinda does. Okay.
Old chewed up
Cheers.
gum.
Oh, the cotton candy fire.
Oh, that's sweet.
That's good. Mmm.
You know, I'm not really a big just sweet to be sweet type person. That's
good.
just sweet without a cause.
That's good. That's good. Very good. And then what else?
So we gotta try the brownie.
And this is our only actual one left. Only one. Here, you can open this. I don't know how to open it.
Well, they wrapped it up.
They wrapped it up real tight.
They wrapped it like it was drugs.
Basically. That sandwich was right. The sandwich was really good.
Alright.
Okay.
Now we got the brownie.
That's a brownie. Here we go. I'm excited. I'm kind of excited. Okay. Let's see what we're talking about. Okay, thank you. Let's see.
Oh, I didn't mean to get such a big piece.
You ready? Cheers.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh, that's rich.
that's rich. Ooh, I need some
Rich.
milk for that.
That's giving Elon Musk vibes.
Oh, wow.
That's how rich that was.
Ooh. That's too rich for me.
Called the Jeff Bezos brownie.
I don't really like that because it's
That's
Ooh.
1%.
that is wild.
Ooh,
I know you getting some.
that's more fudge than brownie.
Yeah, I don't
It
really
was
like
more
that.
fudgy.
Yeah, I don't really like that.
It said pecan fudge brownie, but it was just fudge.
I don't really like that.
There was no brownie in that.
Yeah, no.
You gotta have a glass of milk or something.
Yeah, you
like
need something. I don't like that.
That was wild. Anyway,
Anyways,
that was our trip to Bucky's.
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 Yeah.
Overall,
I think it has.
I think it was good.
It's an out of 10.
There was some hype. There was a lot of hype around it. I mean, we've just seen like just carloads of people
Yeah, there's tons of
just
people around
coming in here. The only thing I would say that was bad about it is that there were just people idling.
Yeah, there was people
Like,
just sitting around.
they were trying to take it all in,
Just sitting around.
but just standing around. Like they had no
value to
purpose
actually walk around.
to do things.
And it was
Like we
annoying.
came in with a mission. We was gonna go here, boom, boom, boom,
and actually get our stuff and
and
head
get
out.
out. But it was like people were just standing around trying to consolidate their family, losing people.
Yeah,
But
it was just too much.
overall, as far as gas stations is concerned, I think it's a great concept. I think
Yeah,
it's
it's wild here.
really
It's
cool, all the
really
stuff they
cool.
have there. They had, I mean, this
And-
is a fairly new place, so they were very heavily staffed. So
Yes, and
I think
you-
that was something cool as well.
And
It's
you
like
can eat here.
they had like groups of managers just
Mhm.
standing around trying to solve stuff. But you kind of have to with a place this size. I mean,
It's
you
really
probably
big.
see about 1 million people a week, if not more.
Oh yeah, it's extra big here.
All the ones that I've seen so far have Tennessee tags, but you know,
In
it's
Knoxville, you know, there's
yeah,
Knoxville.
we were still Tennessee,
Well, yeah.
but you know, it's starting to become a very popular place.
Oh yeah, it's
I
very
think
big.
they're opening one up in Nashville as well, so
Yeah, I think so.
that's probably going to be a really big one as well. But overall, I definitely like the hype. I think it was a really nice place to go and frequent.
Oh
So
yeah, it's really nice.
overall, yep, that was our experience at Bucky's.
And yeah,
Yeah, so if you're going to Bucky's and you're trying to budget some stuff, or you want to go and
$100.
have a good time, use $100 probably get you everything you need to
Everything
get. I mean, clearly we got way more
that we expected.
than we needed, but
Really good though.
still, it
Very
was
good.
a lot of stuff. I mean, if you have a family, you got kids and stuff, $100 should everybody get a sandwich basically.
Yeah.
And some stuff like that. Their prices were really reasonable. They weren't like
they actually were
ridiculous.
Very.
You know, seeing some other YouTubers' videos, you know, 400 kind of was like the budget of like, hey, I'm gonna go in here
and actually ball out.
And ball out. But they're buying like grills and tents. And
Yeah, no,
that's not stuff that I would reasonably use. So, like shot glass will definitely be used.
And this
like cups will be used.
Nice.
And the food that's in here will be eaten. So
yeah,
it's not like all that stuff's gonna go to waste. So, yeah, I would say probably a 10 out of 10 on my experience as far as gas stations are concerned.
Yeah.
So probably definitely the coolest gas station I've been to thus far.
Oh yeah.
But
very nice.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.